All right, so let's go ahead with this video. Um, I have shown you how to open Vim Editor, and there's something that you need to know from the uh, start. So Vim Editor has something called um, command line, and to enter the command line of Vim Editor you have to press the escape button, and then you have to press colon. So this is the command line prompt right here. So if you press escape twice it goes away, and you can just scroll through the uh, file that is in front of you. You can use page up, page down to scroll through it faster, um, if you didn't know about that. So uh, the reason there is a command line um, for Vim Editor, it's because it provides the extended uh, uh, functions that you really require. So from the command line you can go into various modes. So the obvious mode would be like when you open a text file, you do want to enter something into it. So there is the insert mode. So if you press I, it goes into the insert mode. So it says insert, and then you can um, go ahead and insert whatever you want, right? So once you press escape again, it comes out again, and then you can't do, like, you can't insert stuff. You can just view the document. All right. um, you can go up, come down, um, and things like that. So that's insert mode. So if you press the insert button twice, then you get the replace mode. So in this the letters just get, replaced. All right. So now if I press escape again, it comes out. So that's insert mode. Then there are other modes like visual mode, and there are other commands that you can use from command line. So say if you want to give a command from command line, so a simple command would be to quit the editor. So to do that, you just have to enter command line. So as I said, you need to press colon, and uh, then you can press um, all right, hold on. So then you can press Q to quit. All right, but sometimes yeah, so what happens is you need to save your thing. So there's another command to save your document, save your file document. um, so that command is WQ, that is colon WQ. So W basically stands for write and then quit. So I don't want to write right now, so I'll just like quit and show you how that works. So then you press enter and then you're out. So then you enter back again, and then you press here, yeah, and then you're back. So that's how you use a command line. There are various other more advanced commands that I don't think you need. This video is not made for that, to show you the advanced commands, but you can go ahead and try some of them. You can find those commands um, at a link which I will show, which will be there below, in below the video, and you can go ahead and check that out. All right. So then the other things that I wanted to show you were um, pattern matching. So it's if you have a very long code, it's very useful for if your editor is capable of searching through the code and finding what's there. So that's where so I'm going to show you how to do that. So yeah, pattern matching. um, yeah, so to do that, again you enter the command line, not exactly command line, you press escape and then you hit forward slash. All right, so after that you just give the pattern that you want to match. It's as simple as that. So it also helps you, so if you press up, it lets you go through the patterns that you've matched already. So say I want to match image, and it takes me to the first image instance of image that it can find. So in pattern match 2 you can either go up or down. By up or down I mean you can do forward search or backward search. So so forward search is basically it goes to the next instance. If you press N, that's forward search. If you press Shift and N, it goes back to the previous instance. So that's previous backward search. So that's about pattern matching. It's very useful. I would like to make a note here. I haven't shown you how to replace, but that can be done too. But be careful because uh, even while replacing, just normally how you replace, you might just end up replacing things that you don't want to replace by. So you just set the parameters such that you don't replace everything in your document, or whatever you want to replace that. So so you can just go to the link below and see the replace function. That's pretty much the same like this. You just give the substitution word, the pattern that you want to get substituted, and parameters like g, or if you want all the a global substitution to be done, or you want certain. So the useful thing about about replacing is it shows you every instance and asks you whether you want to replace that with the new pattern or not. But you can also obviously override that. So I won't be showing you that, but that's pretty easy, so you can go ahead and try that out on your own. Then after pattern matching, what I wanted to show you was selection of text, right? So selection of text is also a very important, effective way to get around. So to do that, you enter the visual mode. And how do you enter the visual mode? By clicking on V. So once you click on V, then you can just select stuff just by the normal scrolling stuff, arrow keys. You can also select stuff. So this um, by line wise. So if you want to like quickly go through select multiple lines, then you press capital V, that is shift and V, and you get to select multiple lines. So that's about text selection. And then you can copy paste the text, put it onto a clipboard, and do stuff with it rather than using your mouse. Isn't this easier? So um, the other things that I wanted to show you were erasing words and lines. I think that's also an important thing if you have lots of redundant code and you want to remove it. So how do you do it? You just can't keep clicking the backspace or delete again and again, because no one has that much patience. So I'm going to show you how to delete in an effective and quick manner. Um, so say first let me insert some garbage. So if you want to delete the entire line, you can press CTRL-U and it's gone. If you want to delete a particular word, then you press CTRL-W, Control W, and the word's gone. So that's about deleting words. And I think we've come to a close. As in, I've shown you a lot of new things. I hope the rest of the advanced techniques you can find in the link below. It's a very useful link, and you can go ahead and try some of that stuff out. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please click on like. And that's it. See you until next time. Bye.